Hi friends, here is a little tidbit on how to use Zoom. First, let's find the Zoom app. It is blue with a white camera. All right, once you have found it, you need to open it, please. And once you open it, you will see join a meeting in blue. You'll click that and you are going to type in the 9-digit meeting code that I have sent your family members via Class Dojo. All right, so type that in. That allows you to join our meeting rather than another one. So under that, you also see my name. You will type in your own name here. And after you type in your name, hit join for me. That way your name pops up with also your video. All right, so this is just a little helpful aspect for the other members of the group. Then you're going to join with video so we can see your beautiful face. And then you're going to click call using internet audio. This allows us to not only see your beautiful face, but to hear your beautiful voice. So when you're ready to leave the meeting, you will tap on the screen top left hand, click leave meeting, and there you are. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message on Class Dojo, and I'm more than happy to help you. All right, have a great evening, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow.